In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to your Trello board. Trello is a wonderful tool for organizing tasks and collaborating with a team, and one of its key features is inviting others to work alongside you. Let's walk through the process together so you can easily share your board with team members or collaborators in no time. First, you'll need to navigate to Trello.com from your preferred web browser. Once you're there, you'll see the login option prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on that. If you already have an account, this is where you'll enter your login details. You can use either your email address or conveniently log in with your Google account, which can save you some time. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself at the Trello homepage. Now direct your attention to the Boards tab located on the main navigation bar. This is your hub for accessing all your existing boards. Within this area, take a moment to find the section labeled Your Workspaces. This section will show you all the boards associated with a specific workspace. Next, click on the board that you want to invite someone to. Selecting the correct board is crucial, especially if you have multiple projects running simultaneously. Once you are inside your chosen board, find the Share button, typically located near the top of your interface. Clicking on it will open up the sharing options for the board. When the sharing menu appears, you'll see an option to create link. By selecting this, you'll generate a unique shareable link that allows others access to your board. Before sharing this link, consider the permissions you want to set. Click on Change Permissions to review the access levels. You can choose to set permissions as Member for full collaboration or as Observer to give someone read-only access. Adjusting these settings helps ensure that team members have the right level of access for your project needs. Once you've settled on the appropriate permissions, press the Copy Link button to make it easy to send the link to others. Alternatively, if you prefer inviting someone directly, you can enter their email address in the space provided. After typing in their email, select their name from the drop-down menu that appears. This brings up another option to adjust their role to either Member or Observer based on the level of involvement they need. Finally, once everything is set, click Share. You've now successfully invited someone to your board, opening the door for them to join your collaborative efforts on Trello. It's a straightforward process that significantly boosts teamwork and productivity by involving the right people with the right access. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to invite your team members to any Trello board and begin collaborating effectively. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.